Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam. Today we will continue ضياء في مدينة الألوان, ضياء in the city of colors. Last time كان يقضي الأمسيات بين الطبيعة. He would spend his evenings in the nature. ولقد اكتشفت أمه خياله الخصب. ولقد اكتشفت أمه خياله الخصب. ولقد is the combination of two parts here. So wa is the connecting conjunction. لقد emphasizes the certainty or the indeedness of the action that follows it. And you can see it abundantly in the Quran. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. وَلَقَدْ آتَيْنَا مُوسَى الْكِتَابَ. And indeed, we have given Moses the book. وَلَقَدْ نَصَرَكُمُ اللَّهُ. And indeed, Allah has made you victorious. I have an engine here that counts the occurrences of certain words in the Quran. And it shows here 129 occurrences. The vast majority of times, وَلَقَدْ is followed by a verb in the past. What's the action that follows it? اكتشفت. There's no prefix here, but there is a suffix. The ta' al-maftuha, the open ta'. اكتشفت. كشف means reveal, made visible, something that was hidden. So the ta' denotes that the doer of this action verb is a female and it's a singular. In the past, don't be confused with the ya as a prefix for the present tense, because this is not a prefix, this is the suffix. If it's a prefix with the verb, it has to do with the present tense. If it's a suffix with the verb, it has to do with the past tense. Okay? Most of the time. There's always exceptions, but most of the time. So, اكتشفت, she discovered. In this context, we can say more fluidly, she found out. أمه. Before we have seen walidahu, here it is ummuhu. Can you notice a common thing here? The suffix, hu. Perfect, wonderful. What does hu denote? Yes. So hu is a possessive pronoun referring to a masculine singular. The ya, exactly. Who else? Ummu, mother. Hu, his mother. Abuhu, father. Abu, hu, his father. اكتشفت أمه, putting it together, his mother found out. What did she find out? خياله. Again, there's a who here, there's a suffix. Always pay attention to the suffix or the prefix, brothers and sisters. Always. Who, you guessed it, that's a possessive pronoun, refers to masculine singular. Yes. What about خيال? What is خيال? Imagination. In Surah Taha, verse 66, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم قال بل ألقوا فإذا حبالهم وعصيهم يخيل إليه من سحرهم أنها تسعى. Nay, he said, throw you first, then behold, their ropes and their sticks by their magic appeared to him as though they moved fast. Appeared as though. Just an imagination, it's not reality, it's not what's actually happening. خياله, his imagination. اكتشفت أمه خياله. His mother found out about his خيال, imagination. الخصب. It's an adjective here meaning rich or fertile. We say الأرض الخصبة, the earth that is fertile. With imagination, it means rich, his rich imagination. And again, let's notice that there's a prefix, alif lam, turning rich into the rich, emphasizing that quality of his imagination. وَلَقَدْ, and indeed, اكتشفت, explored, his mom, مُهُ خياله, his imagination that is rich, al-khasb. That's it for this episode. Thanks for watching. I hope this was beneficial. Inshallah, next time we'll move on to the following sentence. Ramadan Kareem. Blessed Ramadan again. Don't forget to make dua for all our brothers and sisters every single night. Just a reminder. Assalamu alaikum. See you next time. Dumtum salimin.